Concrete Repairman. What we're reviewing is oxidation of the reinforcement steel. Paint's painted down to the top of the dirt. Dirt gets wet below the paint. This cycle continues and continues, reaches the reinforcement steel. The reinforcement steel is number 4 bar, 1/2 inch. It grows up to 5 times the size in diameter, busting out the side of the foundation. Right there is a vertical break in the foundation that tells me the foundation is moving down from that point, going that direction. The interior of the garage foundation footing. This break goes all the way through horizontally, and there's also that vertical break that we've seen on the outside. It broke twice. It is separating here where the interior floor meets it. From that point this way, it has gone down, causing the interior drywall vertical breaks and horizontal breaks along this line, which means horizontal breaks means that the roof trusses are trying to hold the roof up, the foundation is trying to pull it apart. And what's in between? The drywall joint's the weakest link. The vertical crack continues, comes along the ceiling and the drywall. If you've noticed, there are no walls inside this floor going up to the ceiling, pushing it up, causing a crack. It is, in fact, because of the fact that we have too much moisture on each side of this home. When homes hold moisture, you're going to get termites. Termites have to have moisture in the soil to tunnel. By keeping your home dry, you're going to keep termites away from your home. You won't have these type of issues happening. For more information, contact James at 602-418-2970. Thanks for visiting ConcreteRepairman.com.